And with that, switching things over to English now. First of all, doctor, I just asked you this, of course, in Spanish, but there are rising COVID cases across much of the country. Should we expect another potential surge of cases here in Colorado as well?
Chris, yes, I think we will be having an increase in cases soon. Just look up our behaviors now. We've been having the opportunity to enjoy nice weather, going to the ball game, going to the ballpark, staying large events in schools. We're going to have graduations and all of those things. So that's going to bring more gathering of people, a lot of them who are unvaccinated, and this will create an increase in cases.
What can we do to protect ourselves in the event of more rising cases here in Colorado?
I think that we should go back to our common sense. Masks, face masks protect us, social distancing protects us, and of course, getting a vaccine. Now, one thing is to have a mandate for a face mask, and the other thing is to use your common sense. This Saturday, we were vaccinating at the Mexican consulate. The Mexican consulate still mandates masks inside of the building. And around 7 out of 10 people who were walking to get into the building didn't have a face mask on them or on their cars. So we were there providing masks for people to go in to have their services. But we have to remember that if we don't know the people that we're gathering with, it's better for us to wear a face mask if it's an enclosed place.
Speaking of face masks, yesterday the city of Philadelphia re-implemented its mask mandate, became the first American city, I believe, to do that in over a month. Do you think that could potentially happen again here in Denver or in Colorado?
I am sure it's going to happen, although not statewide. This is going to be something that's going to be managed by local public health departments. It depends on your city, on your county, depending on the number of cases. Just another thing that people have to pay attention, there's some colleges like Columbia College or Barnard College that are now making it mandatory to wear face masks in class again. So we have to be aware of those things. And again, use your common sense. If you're going to gather with people you don't know in a large enclosed place, it's better to be protected.
Absolutely. And with that in mind, Doctor, I know that Servicios de la Raza and the Mexican consulate are helping organize some vaccine events. Can you tell us about some of those, please?
Yes, today, Tuesday, we will have our evening clinic here at Servicios de la Raza, and we're trying to do that every Tuesday from 4 o'clock to 7, 8, depending on the amount of people that we have. I would ask people to call to 303-458-5851. So they can let us know that they're going to be here, and we will be here for them. And every Tuesday and Friday, I'm at the Mexican consulate from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Vaccinating people don't need an appointment, and they don't need to be Mexican. They just have to, it's just a walk-in.
So a couple of great options. Walk-in, again, you don't need a driver's license. You don't need any form of ID to get vaccinated. Excuse me, doctor. Thank you so much for that. And we appreciate a few minutes of your time here today. Again, if you have a question, either English or in Spanish, and excuse me one second, I have to mute myself. Sorry about that, the beauty of live Zooms. If you have a question, either English or in Spanish, please email me at chris.bianchi@9news.com. I'll make sure it's answered. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us here today. And thank you for tolerating my cough as well.
Thank you, and get well, Chris.